What's in my bag today? We have Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI Phone Stabilizer. The coolest feature about Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is the AI sensor here, which is magnetic. So of course it can go on top, or if you fancy, it can also go at the bottom, you know, whatever direction. And because it's magnetic and circular, of course you can go into this direction, facing this way, in whatever direction that you need. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it on the top and also just place the fill light at the bottom. And the light right now indicates red because it's not sensing anything. So I'm gonna trigger it by giving it a little bit of gesture. So it's gonna communicate with me at a distance and it will start tracking me without the need of the app. It can just do it by itself, no app needed. So right now I'm completely hands-free, and to trigger the AI sensor, all I need to do is give a little bit of OK sign, and you can already see it's starting to follow me. Okay, I can't go off the cliff and go into the sea, but it will follow me around. So you're also seeing me on the mobile phone. I'm just using my own S23 Ultra, the built-in camera, not using the app from Zhiyun, although you can connect to Zhiyun Cami app. So let me also stand up. Woo, and go down. It is really good at tracking me already. If you want to stop, all you need to do is give a bit of palm up and then it stops tracking me altogether, and give another OK sign and it will start following me around, putting me in the center of the camera. So let me move a little bit behind so you can really see that it works great at a bit of distance. And I'm gonna give OK sign, and it's instant. As you can see, it's instantly putting me in the middle of the frame. I'm just gonna walk around. Now this is like under the bright sunlight. And then I'm also gonna go into the shades. I'm wearing sunglasses and it knows I'm a human. So definitely the AI tracking, the sensor is working well. And I'm just gonna sort of jump. And it's working really, really well. So for me to stop tracking, I'm just gonna give palm up and I can see the light indicating red. It's very, very small light, but it's so easy to see. Wow, I've checked the footage. You can see how crazy this is against the sun. The sun is right there. So the lighting is terrible. However, AI sensor has no problem in spotting me. It's been following me so well. The next cool AI feature that I have not seen in any other AI gimbals out there is this Sony sign. So I gave the Sony sign, it's already working, and you can see I'm actually at this side of the frame and I can just move around and it will put me in that original spot. It doesn't put me in the center of the spot. You don't always want to be in the center of the spot. So this is a really useful video feature, because on this empty space of the frame you can put something else, and I'm just putting myself in this left or right half of the video. And the great thing is the panning, of course it goes 360 degrees, so let me just keep on moving in circle. So it's really limitless in terms of the angles that you can work with, together with Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI gimbal. So I've done a full circle.
Panning can rotate 360 degrees, which means at vortex mode, you can really enjoy the funky video. Tilt and roll mechanical range each enjoy 349 degrees, so that you can really use this gimbal for professional smartphone videography.
So with this control panel and also the controlling wheel, you can see that it is for professional use as well. So right now I'm inside the app, so I'm just need to do the recording button here. And then if I want to zoom in and out, I can just circle it around I can just circle it around and it goes 8 times zoom, very smooth, and also zoom out as well.
And if I press the middle button, then it will change into focus in Zhiyun's Steadicam app.
And right now I'm inside the Cami app, and you can see there are so many different functions here. So panoramic, so it will actually take pictures.
I've set at 180 degrees panorama shot, and this is what you get.
But I'm going to show you the shoot video mode, and here you can also use the gesture mode, and this means if you for some reason forgot the AI sensor, then you can still use the AI tracking with Zhiyun Gimbal, because in Zhiyun Cami app you do have this option. So I'm going to do follow and shoot. Gesture mode is switched on, and in here it actually shows you need to show the V sign to start recording and also tracking, and also give palm sign. So give a bit of V sign. Yep. And with the sound, I can actually hear it's following me and also start shooting the video because I'm in the video mode. So, even if you forgot the AI sensor, but don't forget the AI sensor. But if you do, then you still have an option with the Brilliant app to do the tracking, the very smart tracking feature, and give a palm sign to stop recording and stop following.
Inside Zhiyun Cami app, there is of course photo taking, video recording, panoramic photo, dolly zoom, time lapse, and hyperlapse. But in the front menu, I want to show you the smart video function. It has pre-programmed template, so you just need to follow the instruction so that you are able to make a very short, sweet video. And I chose the like mode, so it's very good for vlogging. And here is the result. Now let's talk about the light.
Let there be light. Yes, super bright. Let me turn it down. It's all seamlessly done so that you can actually see these two lights. One is the magnetic, which of course you can put at the bottom as well as on top. You can change the direction to this way or that way. And this built-in fill light is super handy. So now let me turn it around so that it's facing me, so you're filming what the mobile phone sees with the help of fill light in a pitch dark room. And you can see even at the dimness, this is at the most dim light. It works really well, right? And I've just started the AI tracker. So I can move around, and because the light is there, it's really helping me to do the AI tracking. So if I also turn it up, and yes, I'm going to blind myself. It's so bright, and you can see how bright it is. So you can definitely make use of this Smooth 5S AI stabilizer from Zhiyun in a pitch dark black scenario. So you can go out to the desert and you can still make use of this stabilizer and also the AI tracking because the light is so strong.
And if you want to change the ambience, then there are 4 colored filters included in the Pro set. The all-in-one control panel has everything that you need and also enjoys the usual gimbal feature such as double-click the trigger to recenter and triple-click 180-degree turn. And you can also enjoy the portrait, the vertical mode, by changing the orientation like this.
So this Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI phone gimbal, it is one of the most sturdiest gimbals out there. In fact, all the Zhiyun gimbals that I've used, they do really make very sturdy, robust gimbal, as you can see in the Outlook. And because it's sturdy, it does have a very powerful battery as well. The built-in battery is 2600 mAh, which means on the standby, it can last up to 26 hours. And if you're using both AI tracker and light on, so let me turn on the light. So with both sensors on, then it will last up to 7 hours. But for most of times, you will probably have the light switched off, so it will last you hours and hours, definitely more than a day worth of shooting. And it has all these universal adapter hole here and there, so you can attach, extra microphone, extra light if you want. and still be very stable. So if you want to know more about this latest AI gimbal, then don't forget to check out the link down below, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!